This is a very special moment for me personally, for the many people who have worked so hard to make this happen, and most of all, for Nova Scotians in need. You know, several years ago in Windsor, Ontario, I did a sit-in visit with a 211 service representative. I sat and listened to callers' voices. I listened to the experienced service representative working through issues. I listened to anxiety turn to relief and gratitude. Call after call after call. And you know something? I think that's when the light truly came on for me. Something you may not know, more than half the population in Canada now has access to help through 211. Just think about what that means for folks in need. Simple access to community services, social services, provincial government services. Help is available out there, and 211 makes it easy to find. Core to the operating philosophy of 211 is accessibility. Available to anyone with a phone or a computer. Available 24/7. Accessible for the hearing impaired, in English or in French. And interpretation services for over 100 languages. Amazing. In addition to my role as chair of the board, I also sit on the National 211 Canada Steering Committee. I'd like to recognize and thank Tammy Holland, chair of that committee, and Bill Morris, director of the 211 National Initiative. They've both joined us here today from Toronto. Their support and guidance has been very, very helpful for us through our 211 Nova Scotia journey. So thank you very much, and they're at this table right there. There have been a number of volunteer advocates for 211 Nova Scotia who I'd like to take a moment to recognize. I wish I could recognize them all. As I look through this room, I see so many faces of folks that have helped us and assisted us over the years. Our Vice Chair, Terry Norman, who's not here today, he's actually in Sydney hosting the event that was supposed to happen this morning, but weather, of course, got in our way, and that will happen tomorrow. Terry's been there every step of the way. I believe he chaired the very first steering committee. And I can't thank him enough for everything that he's done. I'd also like to recognize the board of 211, many of whom are here with us here today. Ann Blandford, District Manager, Pictou, Department of Community Services. Brent Crowhurst, Bureau Director, Criminal Intelligence Services, Nova Scotia. Chris Keevil, President of Color. Janet Knox, President and CEO, Annapolis Valley Health. Kevin Malloy, Deputy Minister, Service Nova Scotia and Municipal Relations. I believe Kevin's also in Sydney. Brendan Stewart, Ernst & Young. Hetty Van Gerp, founder, Peaceful Schools International. Mike Mayette, where's Mike? Give us a wave there, Mike. Mike, who is a board member, he is also our executive director of 211. And Mike came on board about 18 months ago, and boy, are we ever glad he did. He built our 211 team. He led the system implementation. He helped secure the premises, graciously donated by HRM. The team at 211 has been very, very busy, building our center, developing the community resource database, the heart and soul of 211, ensuring quality control, system testing, and managing a very long checklist of things that have gotten us to where we are here today. Mike, it's been a heck of a ride. I would also like to thank my organization, Bell Aliant, and Nova Scotia Power for financial assistance and strong support throughout the years. Both Nova Scotia and Bell Aliant were early believers in 211. Bob Hanf is here, CEO, Nova Scotia Power. Bob, And Gerald's here somewhere. Gerald was? Hi, Gerald. I can't thank you enough for that leadership contribution. And huge thanks, of course, to the United Way and Catherine Woodman. Catherine, among her many other roles, is also one of our board members. And Catherine, your vision has made this possible. I want to thank you for always being a believer. Thank you so much. And last, but certainly not least, I would like to thank this province of Nova Scotia. 211 would not be possible without the support of our provincial government. I would like to introduce the Honourable John McDonnell, Minister of Service Nova Scotia and Municipal Relations. Minister McDonnell is someone with a passion for public service and helping people. Since 1998, Minister McDonnell has served the people of Hants East as a member of the Legislative Assembly. As Minister of Agriculture since June 2009, adding the responsibilities of Minister of Service Nova Scotia and Municipal Relations in January 2011. He enjoys the opportunity to focus on communities, providing services to individuals and families and businesses. His commitment to 211 is an obvious fit, improving the lives of Nova Scotians and their communities. Please help me welcome Minister McDonnell. Thank you.